Welcome back to DLM Campervans. Today we have a blue metallic Ford Transit Connect with our Mini T conversion. The vehicle has hitch, shore power plug, reverse camera, reverse sensing, Bluetooth for hands-free. You can also start your van with the Ford Pass app. This Mini T has the split rear doors. Comes with solar, over-the-air antenna, max air fan, refrigerator, sink, fresh water and gray water, couch that folds out into a 43 by 72 inch bed, vinyl floor, LED lighting, TV DVD player. Front windows are limit tinted for privacy. Also comes with WeatherTech sunshades and a fabric curtain. Underbed storage, which includes some totes, propane stove, foldable portable toilet. Check out the full details on our website, dlm-distribution.com, or give us a call, 507-382-9446. Happy camping!